Hey everyone, it's Riyashree and welcome back to yet another fridge organization video. It's been a while I haven't organized my fridge and it became a complete mess. So I emptied the fridge completely, cleaned it once and now it's ready to get organized. I have invested in these airtight food storage containers. These are made out of BPA-free plastic, comes in various capacities. These are also transparent and stackable. In one of these I am storing idli dosa batter. And in another one I am storing grated coconut for chutney. And in this Lazy Susan, I am keeping all my bread spreads, chocolate syrup, butter and grated cheese together. These egg boxes are my recent finds from Meesho. Each box can hold 10 eggs. Also, these are transparent, narrow and stackable, so takes less space inside the fridge. And in these boxes I am storing peeled onion, peeled and prepped ginger and peeled garlic. And in this basket I am storing lemon, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves and green chili. I love transparent organizers and that's why I have invested in these bins for storing vegetables. As these are transparent, this gives a clear idea about what's inside. Also, these are stackable, so apt for organizing a smaller space. And in this bigger bin, I'm storing tomatoes. In these small containers, I'm storing some cut and prepped fruit for healthy snacking. I use this shelf for storing fruits, snacks, meal preps or leftovers. In the vegetable box, I store bulkier vegetables like gobi, kaddu, lauki, etc. and leafy vegetables. For this week, I am storing palak and methi. Now it's time to organize the refrigerator door. In the first shelf, I am storing some baking essentials and food essences. The second shelf is for spices, chutneys and sauces. Third shelf I use for storing milk and juice packets, coconut milk and fresh cream packets. And the fourth shelf is for storing Yakult. And we are done with the refrigerator organization. Now let's have a look in the freezer. The first shelf of the freezer is empty right now, but we use this shelf for storing ice cream, and the freezer box badly needs some organization. Let's see what we can do with this area. I have transferred everything in Ziploc pouches, and now it's time to put these back in the freezer box. And with that, we are done with the fridge organization. So that was all about for today, everyone. I hope you will like this one, and if so, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.